Good day, Sir Ruel. Let me present to you my reflections on my learning in EDDE 204, Assessment of Student Learning in Distance Education, Part 2. Again, I am Edvic V. Ocampo, GCDE student. Assessment has always been central to teaching philosophy. Initially, I relied on traditional methods such as simple examinations and pen and paper tests such as seen in the image for my online course. But as I gained experience, I recognized the need for a more dynamic and meaningful assessments that can accurately measure student understanding, such as an interactive oral assessment. My beliefs about assessment have evolved significantly. I've moved from focusing primarily on grades to understanding the broader impact of assessments on student learning. This shift had led me to explore innovative approaches like the interactive oral assessment proposed by Ward et al. Self-assessment and reflection is crucial for educators. By regularly evaluating my teaching methods, I have been able to refine my strategies and improve student outcomes. This reflective practice has been instrumental in the development of the proposal for my interactive oral assessment. In distance education, assessments must be flexible, reliable, and valid. These principles are particularly important when implementing interactive oral assessments, as they ensure that the assessments are fair and effective even in a remote learning environment. Different educational theories provide varied perspectives on assessments. For instance, constructivists emphasize real-world tasks, while social learning focuses on measurable outcomes that can be observed. Interactive oral assessment bridges this perspective by combining practical application with rigorous evaluation. By integrating these diverse perspectives, I have developed a holistic approach to assessment that supports both student learning and engagement. This synthesis is at the core of my proposal for interactive oral assessment in the Open High School program, which is shown in the simulation I made. As shown by the sample material I created for my simulated Google Classroom, theories such as Bloom's taxonomy have guided my approach to assessment, particularly in designing interactive oral assessments. By aligning these assessments with cognitive levels, I can better gauge student understanding and encourage higher-order thinking. At the course level, I have tailored assessments to meet specific learning objectives, communicating student performance and giving feedback as such in the rubrics. It has been crucial in refining these assessments, leading to the development of a more effective interactive oral assessment. My assessment practices are also aligned with institutional goals such as DepEd orders on grading, ensuring they meet accreditation standards and contribute to broader educational outcomes. The proposal for interactive oral assessment is designed to enhance the Open High School program by aligning with these institutional objectives. Reflecting on my professional practice, it has allowed me to adapt to the challenges of distance education. Continuous learning and collaboration with colleagues have been key in the development of the interactive oral assessment proposal for the Department of Education's Open High School program. Assessment is central to instructional design. Informing every stage of the process, interactive oral assessment as proposed for the Open High School program is designed to be an integral part of instructional design, enhancing both teaching and learning. Different instructional design models offer unique approaches to the integrating assessment. In this presentation, I will focus on how interactive oral assessment was integrated into models like ADDIE, SAM, and backward design. The ADDIE model incorporates assessment at every stage in the context of interactive oral assessment. This model ensures that assessments are systematically designed, implemented, and evaluated to support student learning in the Open High School program. The SAM model, on the other hand, emphasizes rapid prototyping and iterative assessment by using interactive oral assessment. This model can be adapted to provide continuous feedback and refinement, ensuring that assessments remain relevant and effective. In the backward design, assessment is the starting point. Interactive oral assessment aligns well with this model as it allows for the clear definition as given by rubrics or through the use of rubrics of the learning outcomes and the creation of assessments that are directly linked to these goals. By synthesizing elements from ADDIE, SAM, and backward design, I have developed a simulation of the interactive oral assessment and plans to apply it in the Open High School program of our school. This approach combines the strengths of each model to create a flexible and effective assessment strategy for our school. I have successfully simulated interactive oral assessment that allows for a more comprehensive means of assessing student learning and their 21st century skills. I have also diagnosed the pros and cons of the interactive oral assessment and made recommendations based on my experience. In the future directions of assessment, I am a proof of my learnings in EDDE 204. I am excited to explore new methods for enhancing interactive oral assessment, such as incorporating artificial intelligence and peer review. These innovations will help refine the proposal and better meet the needs of students in the Open High School program. Thank you, Sir Ruel, for this wonderful learning experience. With that, I would like to say that assessment is not merely gauging what students know. It is a process of guiding them to realize what they can achieve and allowing them to fully become the person that they want to be. And that is all. Thank you very much.